How many videos did MrBeast make to get his first 300 subscribers? Keep watching and we'll reveal the answer and give you some YouTube tips and tricks from MrBeast along the way. In this episode, we'll cover MrBeast's Black Ops 2 phase from July to August 1, 2013 when he hit 300 subscribers. All of these videos can be found in a playlist that is linked in the description if you would like to study them yourself. Most of his uploads are gameplay videos of Call of Duty, Black Ops 2. While playing he provides commentary with gaming tips, complaints, YouTube advice or an occasional random rant. Here are the top tips and tricks from these early MrBeast videos that you can apply to improve your own channel. Tip number 1, practice makes perfect. MrBeast's overall commentary style and structure is more polished and consistent compared to his first uploads from early 2012. Each video typically has an intro greeting, commentary and asks viewers to like and subscribe at the end.
So yeah, that's pretty much the update in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you later.
The improvement of his audio commentary is likely the result of making dozens of other gameplay videos. Whether you are learning how to ride a bike, play guitar or make better YouTube videos, there is no substitute for practice. Practice helps build your muscle memory which eventually will allow you to perform a skill automatically. When you're first starting off, this is especially important. Don't worry about being a perfectionist, just upload until you get the basics down and keep improving on each video. Tip number 2, harness the power of journaling. In many of his gameplay videos he provides commentary that has nothing to do with the actual game. This could be called journaling, which can help remove mental blocks and help clarify your thoughts. Some videos have commentary about his YouTube journey and this likely helped him and others grow his channel faster.
They're going to be wondering, should I buy it, should I not? And there's just going to be so many cool things you can do that haven't been done that people will search for, and it'll be a lot easier to get noticed. So I'm just trying to build a following going into Ghost, and then I hope I just take off in Ghost and maybe get a couple thousand subscribers or whatnot.
Other videos include commentary with tips on how to play a certain game. This probably helped MrBeast become a better player as well as helped others figure out how to play. When making your own commentary videos, let your thoughts flow naturally. You can always edit weak parts out later. Tip number 3, be creative. During this phase of MrBeast's YouTube journey he released his first channel trailer which shows a glimpse into his unique and creative side. He explains the only reason you are seeing the trailer is if you're not subscribed.
Only non-subscribers see this video in the channel trailer thing. And that's a problem. Why are you not subscribed to me?
MrBeast also adds a creative twist to his channel by introducing an interactive rock paper scissors game for the first time.
And I challenge you to a game of rock paper scissors. Yes, there's a picture in the top right of the video. All the icons are annotated. Just click on the icon for what you pick, and then I already have my pick decided, and see if you beat me.
This became a regular part of his videos by using the annotations feature on YouTube. By thinking outside the box, MrBeast was able to turn an otherwise boring feature into something more interesting. When building your channel and making videos, ask yourself how you can add a creative twist to make them more unique. Tip number 4, reinvest in your channel. Next he makes a video demonstrating his new blue snowball microphone. This microphone was probably one of his earliest reinvestments into his channel.
Any of my older videos, this mic sounds like 30 times better than my old mic. I was using this cheap $20 mic I bought from Walmart, and it was a piece of crap, and so I traded it in, or not traded it in, I threw it away, and bought this blue snowball.
MrBeast is one of the few channels out there that reinvested most or all of his money back into his channel, which is likely a big factor in his overall success. As your own channel grows and money starts coming in, consider putting at least part of your profits back into your channel to level it up. Tip number 5, interact with your subscribers. When making content for YouTube, consider interacting with your audience to make them feel like they are part of a unique club. MrBeast regularly asks for likes, subscribers and thanks his audience for their support.
Let's see if we can get, 15 likes on this video? That'd be freaking awesome. And yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos and likes them, those few people. And yeah, thanks for watching.
You don't need to overthink this too much. Just try to be genuine and add a personal touch here and there. When you make a video, imagine you are making it for one of your close friends or family members to give it a more authentic touch. Tip number 6, enhance videos with graphics. In one video, he goes through the top 10 worst guns in Call of Duty history. It appears this may be the first time he enhanced his video with additional visual graphics to make it more interesting.
And then the Mac 11 is the second worst gun in Call of Duty history in my opinion.
Visuals and other graphics help keep a viewer interested and should boost your retention time. When you think you are done editing a video, watch it and ask yourself how you could improve it with visuals. This is another area which requires practice, so just have fun with it and eventually you'll get the hang of it. Tip number 7, niche down to stand out from competition. In a couple videos, MrBeast uses the niche down tactic to stand out from the competition. Instead of making an average Black Ops 2 Let's Play video, he made videos which demonstrated hackers or glitches within a game.
This is what I was talking about earlier. He teleported me and my whole team into this room. We could not move, and then he shoots us with a hailstorm bullet. That is pretty cool. That made me laugh. He teleports our team in a room, makes it where we can't move, and then kills us with a hailstorm bullet out of his gun. That is too funny.
If you think the topics you are covering might be saturated, consider specializing to stand out from the crowd. In this case, MrBeast takes a popular topic like Black Ops 2 and stands out from the competition by covering the hacks and glitches to get more attention. Tip number 8, immerse yourself in YouTube and your niche. One of MrBeast's most interesting videos during this period is one in which he goes over a list of the top 50 channels on YouTube.
PewDiePie is number 2, and I freaking love PewDiePie, so he deserves to be at number 2. Jenna Marbles is number 3, and that's no surprise, people subscribe, they think she's hot.
You get to see what channels he liked to watch and who influenced him in the early days. MrBeast says he recognized about 40 of the 50 channels on the list, which shows he was not just uploading to YouTube, but an active member of the overall community. When you're not making videos, take time to watch videos on other channels. This will help give you new ideas and give you an overall feeling for what's currently working and not working on YouTube. Basically, you need to immerse yourself in YouTube and the topic you're trying to be successful in. If you want to be successful on YouTube, then you need to watch a lot of YouTube videos as well as upload. Over time you will start to spot opportunities that other creators might miss by being immersed. If you're interested in seeing this list, I'll leave a link to the blog post version of this video in the description. Tip number 9, trendjacking. In another video MrBeast talks about an upcoming trailer for Call of Duty Ghosts multiplayer. At the time he published that video, the trailer hadn't been released.
So, in case you didn't know, the Call of Duty Ghost multiplayer reveal trailer has been announced to come out on August 14th.
So, in theory when the trailer was released he could get a lot of views from people searching for the trailer. I didn't notice this at first, but it turns out he actually misspelled the game title. He may have missed an opportunity for his channel to blow up sooner due to this one mistake. Regardless, this illustrates a strategy you can use called trendjacking. Trendjacking is where you can piggyback off popular topics or searches. It's a great way to grow your channel, just make sure the topic is relevant to your overall niche. Tip number 10, use contests to grow your channel. MrBeast is famous for giving away prizes and money, and his first ever contest is one in which a random commenter would get a shout out in a future video.
Real quick, I want to kind of do this little contest thing. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to pick a random comment and give that person a shout out in a later video.
Whether he actually gave the shout out will be revealed in a future episode of this series. It's no secret that one big reason for MrBeast's success is due to him giving away money and prizes. If you need a boost with your channel, take some time to brainstorm ideas for contests you could do. Just be sure to follow YouTube's guidelines on giveaways and consider starting with small prizes first. Now you're probably wondering, how many videos did MrBeast upload before he got to 300 subscribers? The answer is 48 videos. His first upload to his main channel was on February 20, 2012, and 48th video was on August 1, 2013. So, it took him about 18 months and 48 videos to get 300 subscribers. Technically he had another channel he started in 2011, that was deleted, so keep that in mind as well. If you would like to see the first videos from MrBeast's Black Ops 2 era, I will leave a link in the description to a playlist of all of them. Watch them and perhaps you can learn a thing or two that will help your channel out. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.